Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY project. So I recently tie-dyed a set that I found at Walmart, and I made the video and I actually posted it on TikTok, and I didn't shoot it horizontally for YouTube, which is such a rookie mistake for a YouTuber. But anyway, so I posted it on TikTok and it actually did really well, and a lot of people wanted to know a little bit more about it, but also just the response was just really positive. So I was trying to think of another type of DIY to show you guys from things I found at Walmart. Okay, so for the first video that I did on TikTok, I used one of these 3-packs from Walmart, and there was a white one in this, so I took a white sports bra combined with high-waisted white leggings that I also found at Walmart and put it into like this little tie-dye set, which I will show you now. So after that one went out, people have been having a lot of fun like recreating it, which has been really neat to see. But I was trying to think of another way to incorporate more of the set that I bought. So I'm taking the black one from the little set, and I also went back to Walmart and found the same pair of leggings but in black, and they are the brand Time and True, and they were literally like $6, and they look like this. They're just like hanging on one of the little racks. So combined with these high-waisted ones and this sports bra, I'm gonna attempt to do tie-dyeing, but with bleach, obviously, because there's no color that will work on black. So if this turns out well, then you will probably see this here on YouTube or on TikTok, and if it doesn't work, then you'll probably never see this video. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so this is the set just as is. It's just a black sports bra and some high-waisted leggings. It's actually pretty nice, just kind of the way that it is, so hopefully I don't totally blow this. Okay, so I suggest doing it outside just in case you mess up. Also, it's really smelly, so just beware of that. Wear some old clothes, and then you're gonna need some rubber bands, a bottle of bleach. I suggest using a little tray so that you don't do it directly on the grass. All of your top and bottom, and then also a little bottle to put the bleach into. And that is everything. For the first part where you have to scrunch it up, I'm just gonna lay it out on a flat surface. It just makes it a little bit easier. But basically you can do any kind of method. I just really like the scrunching method, which is really easy because all you do is just like scrunch, and you scrunch the whole way up, and then you just tie it off really tightly. Whatever scrunching you're doing to the top side of the pants, make sure you're also doing that to the back side separately. I just find that it gets a little bit better of a tie-dye when you do it that way. Pants are good to go. Okay, now they're both tied up and ready for bleach. To make it a little bit easier than just pouring out of a giant bleach container, I really suggest using any kind of like little squirt bottle container that you can pour the bleach into to make it just a little bit easier. Filled with bleach and ready to pour. I'm a little scared, but here we go. Okay, so I started pouring the bleach on here, and it's like just sitting on top of it, which is really weird. I don't know if you can see that with like the bubbles, but it's basically just like sitting on top and not absorbing, so that's a little weird. You have to like press it in because the material is not really like absorbing the dye well, and it just kind of sits like droplets on top, so you really have to like press it in and make sure you've covered it properly. Okay, so I finished covering them, and they're already getting like so red, which is wild, but I don't know what color they're gonna turn out to be, so we'll just have to wait and see. Now I'll come back and check it in a couple of hours. Alright, so I've had them drying for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and now I'm going to take them out and wash them. It's going to look like something. I just don't know what. Dun da da! Oh, interesting. Oops. Oh, kind of cool. Turned out pretty good. It's kind of hard to tell, so I'll really be able to tell once I wash it, but right now I'm just rinsing out all of the excess bleach. Now it's time to wash it. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I probably could have added more bleach here in the bottom, but I was just like trying to be hesitant because I thought it would be too much, but I could have added more. And then the top I feel like was the right amount. But either way, this is the finished product. Okay guys, so that is everything. It turned out pretty cool and it only takes a couple hours, so I highly recommend giving it a try. Tag me if you do try it. I want to see how yours turns out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.